Now here comes the question number 47. This question is a little bit difficult for many of the students because this is not a direct question. In this question, we have to find out the limit as n tends to infinity of a summation, of a particular summation. The summation ranges from n square to 2n square. So there are a total of n square plus 1 terms. Okay, I have written down this summation in an expanded form, and let us name this summation as Sn. The smallest term in this summation is the final term. Let us generate another summation containing only this smallest term. Let us call that summation as An, and if that summation contains n square plus 1 terms, where each term is equal to the smallest term of Sn, then we get An is equal to n square plus 1 multiplied by the smallest term, the final term of Sn. Similarly, we can generate another summation Bn, which contains n square plus 1 terms, where each term is the largest term or the first term of Sn. Okay, so we have generated two new summations An and Bn from Sn. Now we can see that each term in Sn is greater than or equal to the final term in Sn, and each term in Sn is less than or equal to the first term in Sn. What does that mean? We can sum all of those terms, and it finally turns out that An is less than or equal to Sn is less than or equal to Bn. Now what comes into our mind? Now we can use sandwich theorem or the squeeze theorem. If An is less than or equal to Sn is less than or equal to Bn, and if the limit An and Bn are equal, then the limit Sn is also equal to the same limit. Now we can easily find out the limit n tends to infinity An by multiplying and dividing by n square. And as usual, we can find out the limit to be 1 by root 5. Similarly, the limit Bn is also 1 by root 5. Now using sandwich theorem, the limit n tends to infinity Sn is also equal to 1 by root 5. And it is given to be alpha. It is named as alpha. That limit is named as alpha. So what is asked? What is asked is 10 root 5 multiplied by alpha, and it is equal to 10. So the answer is 10.